Hi everyone and welcome back to today's more important chart exposures on Monday the 28th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen. And with, again, once more you've had a strong day that was developing on Friday and then a complete turnaround in sentiment, and what we see is just the continuation of this basically uncertain trading. Within the range you get a day maybe, or a day or so of direction, and then it flips around in the direction and retraces all again. So where are we left now? Well, we're basically again flat around 120 figure. 120 figure seems to certainly be a bit of a level that it continues to come back to. Look at the amount of opens and closes we've got around 120 figure in the last sort of week and a half. Seems to happen time and time again, so very, very prevalent number there on this chart, although there's no real sort of pivot level that you could point to on the technicals, but still. Here we go on the hourly chart, just absolutely range bound, isn't it? Nowhere in terms of direction. Once more we have, you could have played the RSI at 70, selling it. We're getting now back towards 30, so does that mean we're going to start to come to buy it? Well, possibly, because we're not too far away from the old sort of support that came in around 1960. 1960 does tend to be a bit of a feature in this chart. They're slightly moving below on occasion, but still 1960, a bit of a near-term pivot, so possibly not too far away from there now, and the RSI getting back towards 30. So does that mean we're now looking for the next buy signal? Well, probably, because this is how this range is playing out. So at the moment, mixed signals all over the place, but you can have these opportunities, these little intraday opportunities, when you play the extreme moves on the hourly RSI. So just bear that in mind. You've got the hourly RSI coming back towards 30 now, so perhaps you're looking for the next sort of mini long position. But at the moment, certainly this range is intact, and until you see sort of decisive moves below the extremes, so 119 figure is the sort of key low that starts, is this point at which you start to see the key lows coming in. So 119.20, 119 figure, and just below there 118.60 and 18.50. So there's a few levels there of the really important lows in this range, but still you've got all these are all the extreme moves, because all the bodies of the candles are generally sort of much tighter than that, within sort of maybe 100 ticks of each other. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.